Good afternoon, guys. Chris Wheeler here, bringing you Prepper Challenge number 4. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. You could be doing anything in the world and you're here. So click that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be right back to the rest of this video. Alright guys, so Prepper Challenge number 4. It's really simple. 1 week, 1 full week, you cannot use any kitchen appliances for your cooking. No stove, no oven, no toaster, no gas ranges. Nothing in the house that's hardwired can you use for your cooking. You can cook over an open fire. Now you can use a grill, gas or charcoal. If you're planning on using charcoal, this would be a really a good exercise for you understanding just how much charcoal it's going to take for you to go a week if you're only using your grill. You could also use a gas griddle, either the griddle or the grill, using the propane, and to give you an idea of how much propane it would take for you to run one of these systems for a week. And you can calculate that out to see how long you'd want to prepare for versus the amount of gas you need to store. Ideally, you would want to cook over, if you have a fireplace, use your fireplace to cook. It's winter time, you can get away with it, and it is a sustainable sort of situation where you can go get wood and you still have fuel to cook with. Alternatively, you could use a makeshift alcohol stove like you've seen in my other videos. If you haven't seen that, check it out. It'll be linked in the descriptions below. So there you go, guys. Prepper Challenge number 4. I hope you participate. If you make a video response to this and tag my channel in it, I will download parts of that video and use it in my answers to the response. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I give you shots of my dad cooking the clothes. No use salt.
Thanks for watching.